Hello, my name is Jonathan David Marini. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? In my city, the rivers, the gastronomy, and the mountain displays are the most important in my city where the people first go to stay. What place have you visited on your trip? San Martin is one of the places that I have liked the most for its gastronomy and culture. Its typical dance are to be fully enjoyed. What was the most incredible activity you did on your trip? What did you do? For me, the great experience I have was herbal reading because I have never done that before and it was very incredible. What was the cheapest place you visited in our city? It was very curious to find a stone selling empanadas for 500 money. What are the words that have happened to you on a trip mentions to? Try to scan me in a fancy restaurant looking really. Second, in a hand attraction I fit on in our my eye. Thank you.